In this video I will show you how to make a device that can turn everything into Bluetooth. Now it's time to see what's inside. So to make this thing work, we need to remove the speaker and then connect it an audio jack. So we need to desolder the audio jack and then desolder the speaker. So the first pin from audio jack goes to the black cable and those two goes to the red cable. Now best part, soldering. Enjoy it. So when you are done, remove all the parts, clean your desk and then get a drill. So we need to drill it to go out the audio jack.
Took me for granted. Don't recognize you anymore. Once sweet and caring, now cold and calculated. You can't be
The hole is done, so now we need to glue it.
You want the world for your own. You want maximum profit.
Looks perfect, so now connect it to the adapter and let's see if it works.
Always restless, want me to fix your problem. You can't be trusted.
Now listen.
You want the world for your own.
It works very perfectly, so now stick the sticker and we are ready to enjoy the reveal. Bye!
Can't afford a